Ever wondered why some RVs look brand new after years of winter camping, while others are falling apart after just one season? The secret isn't about having the most expensive rig or being lucky. It's about knowing what many RV owners had to learn the hard way. Today, we are revealing the hidden dangers that could cost you thousands, or even worse, put your family at risk. This could be the most important winter RV video you'll ever watch. Let's get rolling. One of the most expensive mistakes RV owners make is skipping proper winterization. When temperatures drop below freezing, water left in your RV's plumbing system can freeze and expand, potentially causing thousands of dollars in damage to pipes and fixtures. Fortunately, protecting your RV for winter is straightforward if you follow these essential steps. First, thoroughly drain all water from your RV's system. This includes emptying the fresh water tank, gray and black water tanks, and water heater. Use the low-point drains to remove every drop. Even small amounts of trapped water can cause problems when frozen. Next, protect your plumbing by adding RV Antifreeze. This special non-toxic formula is designed specifically for recreational vehicles. Pump it through all faucets, toilets, and shower heads until you see the pink antifreeze coming out. Don't forget about external fixtures like the city water inlet and outdoor shower, which are particularly vulnerable to freezing damage. Consider adding foam insulation or heat tape to these exposed areas for extra protection. Before starting the winterization process, remove any water filters as antifreeze can damage them. Store the filters in a clean, dry place until spring. While winterizing your RV takes a few hours, it's a small investment compared to the potential repair costs of burst pipes, damaged water heaters, or broken pumps. Taking these preventive steps now will protect your RV during the cold months and ensure it's ready for your next adventure when warm weather returns. Don't let poor insulation turn your winter RV adventure into a chilly ordeal. Proper insulation not only keeps you comfortable, but also protects your RV from cold weather damage and reduces heating costs. Here's how to effectively insulate your RV for winter. Start with your windows, which are major sources of heat loss. Install Reflectix, a reflective insulation material, by cutting it to fit your window frames. This reflects heat back into your RV. Add thermal curtains or insulated blinds for an extra layer of protection against the cold. Install skirting around your RV's base to protect the underside from freezing temperatures. This crucial barrier prevents cold air from circulating underneath, protecting your plumbing and helping maintain interior warmth. You can create temporary skirting using foam board, vinyl, or heavy-duty tarps secured with clips or stakes. Don't overlook small gaps and cracks. Inspect areas around doors, windows, and slide-outs where cold air can sneak in. Use weather stripping or caulk to seal these drafty spots, and don't forget to check vents and access panels. For additional warmth, place area rugs or foam mats on the floors. Consider adding foam board insulation behind cabinets or storage areas against exterior walls to further retain heat. Good insulation makes the difference between a cozy winter retreat and an uncomfortable, potentially costly experience. With these measures in place, your RV will stay warm and protected, even during the coldest months. We have found a bunch of super helpful products that make this process much easier and more cost-effective. In fact, there's an entire video dedicated to showcasing these incredible products, so be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications to catch it when it's released. Don't let winter weather damage your RV's most important protective barrier, its roof. Snow and ice accumulation can pose serious threats, potentially leading to expensive repairs if not properly managed. Here's how to protect your RV roof during the cold months. The weight of accumulated snow can put dangerous stress on your RV's roof structure, while ice formation around seals can cause them to crack or peel. These issues often lead to water infiltration, creating bigger problems like interior leaks, mold growth, and structural damage. Conduct thorough roof inspections before winter sets in and after major snowfalls. Look carefully for warning signs like cracks, loose seals around vents and skylights, or soft spots that might indicate water damage. Pay special attention to areas around air conditioners and other roof installations where seals are crucial. Take preventive action by applying quality RV roof sealant to any suspicious areas. Consider treating the entire roof with a UV-resistant coating. Winter sun can be just as damaging as summer heat. When snow accumulates, remove it carefully using a soft roof rake to avoid damaging the roofing material. For best protection, store your RV under a cover, or, ideally, in an indoor facility during winter months. If using an outdoor cover, ensure it's properly sized and weatherproof to protect against snow, ice, and debris. Remember, a well-maintained roof keeps your entire RV protected. Regular inspection and maintenance now can prevent costly repairs later. Keeping your RV warm in winter requires more than just cranking up the heat. Proper heating system maintenance and smart equipment choices are essential for both comfort and safety. Here's what you need to know about heating your RV effectively during cold weather. Your propane system needs special attention in winter. Cold temperatures can affect propane vaporization, particularly when tanks run low. Maintain your tank at least half full and consider using a propane tank heater or blanket to ensure consistent pressure. Regular inspection of propane lines, regulators, and connections is crucial. Even small leaks can create dangerous situations and reduce heating efficiency. Choose your propane carefully. Look for HD5 propane, a high-purity blend specifically designed for cold weather performance. This type vaporizes more effectively in freezing temperatures than standard propane blends, providing more reliable heat when you need it most. While electric space heaters might seem like an easy solution, don't rely on them as your primary heat source. They can overload your RV's electrical system and won't protect vital areas like water tanks and plumbing from freezing. If you do use space heaters, monitor them carefully to prevent fire hazards. Consider investing in a backup heating solution, such as a catalytic propane heater designed specifically for RV use. These provide efficient, safe heating and can be lifesavers if your main furnace fails during cold weather. Remember, proper heating isn't just about comfort. It's about protecting your RV's systems from freeze damage and ensuring your safety during winter camping adventures. Don't let cold weather leave you powerless in your RV. Freezing temperatures can severely impact battery performance and longevity, but proper care can keep your electrical system running strong all winter. Here's how to protect this crucial component of your RV. Cold weather poses significant challenges for RV batteries. When temperatures drop below freezing, battery capacity can plummet by up to 50%. And severely discharged batteries risk permanent damage from freezing. This is particularly concerning when you're depending on battery power for essential functions like heating and lighting. If storing your RV for winter, remove the batteries and keep them in a temperature-controlled space. Ensure they're fully charged before storage and monitor them regularly to keep charge levels above 50%. Consider using a smart trickle charger for maintenance. It will keep batteries topped up without risk of overcharging. For winter camping, invest in a heated battery box or battery blanket. These specialized tools maintain optimal battery temperature in even the coldest conditions, ensuring reliable performance when you need it most. Think of it as a cozy winter coat for your batteries. Don't forget basic maintenance. Regularly clean battery terminals and check for corrosion, which can hinder performance. Test voltage levels monthly to ensure your batteries are holding their charge effectively. Remember, battery care isn't just about avoiding replacement costs. It's about ensuring your RV's systems stay powered and functional throughout the winter season. Don't let frozen water hoses interrupt your winter RV adventures. Cold temperatures can quickly turn your water supply into a frozen headache, but proper protection can keep the water flowing. Here's how to safeguard this critical component of your RV setup. A heated water hose is your best defense against freezing. These specialized hoses contain built-in heating elements that maintain water flow even in sub-zero temperatures. While they represent an investment, heated hoses provide reliable performance and peace of mind. Just plug them in, connect to your RV, and enjoy consistent water access. Choose one rated for your area's lowest expected temperatures. Working with a standard hose, you can still protect it from freezing. Wrap the entire length in foam pipe insulation or heat tape, securing it with weatherproof tape for complete coverage. Add a layer of heavy-duty plastic wrap to shield the insulation from moisture. Pay special attention to the connections. Both the RV water inlet and spigot should have insulated covers to prevent freezing at these vulnerable points. Always have a backup plan. Disconnect and drain hoses when not in use to prevent ice damage. Store spare hoses in a heated space and keep emergency water supplies inside your RV. Filled jugs or a topped-up freshwater tank can be lifesavers if your external water supply freezes. Remember, protecting your water hose isn't just about convenience. It's about preventing costly repairs and ensuring you have reliable access to water throughout the winter season. While most RV owners focus on winterizing their plumbing and insulating their living space, the undercarriage often gets overlooked. Yet this area faces brutal winter conditions that can lead to serious damage if not properly protected. Here's how to safeguard this crucial part of your RV. Winter roads present unique challenges to your RV's underside. De-icing chemicals and road salt, while essential for safe driving, are extremely corrosive to metal components, like your frame, axles, and suspension. When these substances mix with snow and ice, they create a destructive combination that can accelerate rust formation and weaken your RV's structural integrity. Start by applying a quality, rust-resistant protective coating to your undercarriage. These specialized products create a barrier against moisture and corrosive materials, significantly reducing rust risk. While it's ideal to apply this coating before winter arrives, adding protection mid-season is better than none at all. Regular cleaning is equally vital. After driving on treated roads, use a pressure washer to thoroughly clean the undercarriage, focusing on areas where salt and debris tend to collect. Pay special attention to hidden spots where corrosive materials can accumulate unnoticed. Don't forget preventive measures like installing mud flaps or splash guards to minimize debris contact. Conduct regular inspections for rust or damage, addressing any issues immediately to prevent them from spreading. Remember, protecting your undercarriage isn't just about maintenance. It's about preserving your RV's structural integrity and avoiding costly repairs down the road. Your RV's furnace isn't just about comfort, it's a critical safety system that needs proper attention before and during winter travel. A well-maintained furnace keeps you warm and protects your RV from freezing, while a neglected one can create dangerous situations. Here's how to keep your furnace running safely and efficiently. Start with thorough cleaning and testing before winter arrives. Dirt and debris buildup in your furnace can reduce efficiency or cause malfunctions. Clean the burner, blower motor, and all vents thoroughly. Test your furnace well ahead of your trip. This gives you time to address any issues before you're depending on it in freezing weather. Carbon monoxide safety is crucial. This invisible, odorless gas can leak from damaged furnaces with potentially lethal consequences. Install a reliable CO detector, check it regularly, and replace its batteries at the start of winter. Mount the detector at sleeping level, as carbon monoxide tends to accumulate in lower areas. Don't overlook your duct system. Inspect all ducts and vents for blockages, damage, or wear that could impair warm air circulation. A blocked duct forces your furnace to work harder, wastes energy, and could lead to system failure when you need heat most. While basic maintenance can be DIY, schedule professional servicing annually. A qualified technician can spot potential problems that might not be visible to the untrained eye, ensuring your furnace runs safely and efficiently throughout the winter season. Remember, furnace maintenance isn't just about preventing breakdowns. It's about protecting your safety during cold weather adventures. By the way, we've made it easy for you. If you're interested in any of the items we discuss in this video, we've added all the links in the description below. One of winter RVing's riskiest mistakes is depending solely on your main furnace for heat. Having a reliable backup heating source isn't just about comfort, it's about safety and protecting your RV from freeze damage. Here's what you need to know about backup heating options. Your primary furnace can fail for various reasons: mechanical problems, power outages, or extreme cold that overwhelms its capacity. When temperatures plummet, having a backup plan can make the difference between a minor inconvenience and a dangerous situation that forces you to abandon your RV. Consider a catalytic heater as your primary backup option. These propane-powered units are specifically designed for RV use, providing safe, efficient heat without electricity. They're compact, reliable, and perfect for emergency situations. Portable propane heaters like the Mr. Heater Buddy series offer another excellent option, though proper ventilation is crucial when using them. For comprehensive backup power, a generator can run electric heaters and other essential appliances during outages. Choose one that matches your RV's power requirements and operates quietly enough for campground use. Whatever backup heating method you choose, prioritize safety. Ensure proper ventilation, maintain safe distances from flammable materials, and always use a carbon monoxide detector. Multiple heat sources might seem like overkill, but when temperatures drop below freezing and your main furnace fails, you'll be glad you planned ahead. Remember, a backup heat source isn't just about comfort. It's essential protection for both you and your RV's vulnerable systems. Don't underestimate the danger of snow accumulation on your RV roof. What starts as a light dusting can quickly become a crushing weight that threatens your RV's structural integrity. Here's why snow removal is crucial and how to do it safely. Snow is deceptively heavy. A single cubic foot of wet snow can weigh up to 20 pounds. When this builds up across your entire roof, it creates dangerous pressure that can cause sagging, cracking, or in worst cases, complete roof failure. The problem compounds when snow begins to melt, as water can find its way into tiny cracks and seams, leading to interior damage and mold. Safe snow removal starts with the right tools and techniques. Use a roof rake with a soft, non-abrasive head and extended handle. This allows you to clear snow while keeping your feet safely on the ground. Never climb onto a snow-covered RV roof, as this adds extra weight to an already stressed structure and risks personal injury from slipping. For light snow, a soft brush or broom can work effectively. Whatever tool you choose, always work gently to avoid damaging roof seals or surface material. Sharp tools or aggressive scraping can create problems worse than the snow itself. After clearing snow, inspect your roof carefully for any damage. Look for cracks, separating seals, or soft spots that might indicate water damage. Early detection and repair of these issues can prevent more extensive damage later. Remember, protecting your RV roof from snow isn't just about maintenance. It's about preserving your RV's structural integrity and preventing costly repairs. Don't let winter catch your RV tires unprepared. Cold weather creates unique challenges for tire performance and safety, but proper maintenance can keep you rolling safely through the season. Here's what you need to know about winter tire care. Temperature drops significantly affect tire pressure. For every 10° Fahrenheit decrease, your tires lose about 1 psi. Underinflated tires not only wear unevenly and waste fuel, but can be dangerous on slippery winter roads. Make checking tire pressure part of your regular winter routine, always measuring when tires are cold and adjusting to manufacturer specifications. Winter driving demands superior traction. Standard RV tires might not provide enough grip on snow and ice-covered roads. Consider switching to winter-rated tires with deeper treads, designed specifically for cold weather conditions. For particularly challenging terrain, keep tire chains ready. They could be essential for safely navigating icy slopes or snowy mountain passes. Cold temperatures can worsen existing tire damage. Regularly inspect your tires for signs of trouble like cracks, unusual wear patterns, or bulges. Don't gamble with aged tires. Replace any that show significant wear or are over 6 years old, regardless of their appearance. Store unused tires in a temperature-controlled space to prevent weather-related deterioration. Keep emergency supplies like a tire repair kit and portable air compressor handy. Drive cautiously in winter conditions, avoiding sudden movements that could break traction. Remember, your tires are your only connection to the road. In winter conditions, their condition can mean the difference between a safe journey and a dangerous situation. Winter RV adventures require more than just standard camping preparation. Sudden weather changes, mechanical issues, or unexpected delays can quickly turn serious in cold conditions. Here's how to prepare for winter emergencies and keep your adventure from becoming a crisis. Start with a comprehensive emergency supply kit. Pack enough supplies to sustain you for at least 3 days without outside help. This means extra blankets, warm clothing, and sleeping bags rated for extreme cold. These become literal lifesavers if your heating system fails. Stock non-perishable food and water, planning for more than you think you'll need. Your winter roadside kit should include specialized items for cold weather challenges. Pack a portable shovel for snow clearing, jumper cables or a portable jump starter for cold weakened batteries, and traction aids like sand or special mats for icy conditions. Keep a well-stocked first aid kit and multiple flashlights with spare batteries. Winter nights are long and dark. Communication can be your lifeline in emergencies. Carry a fully charged phone, backup power bank, and consider a two-way radio for areas without cell service. Always share your travel plans with someone reliable, your route, expected arrival time, and planned stops. This information becomes crucial if you need emergency assistance. Remember, winter emergencies can escalate rapidly, but proper preparation gives you the tools and confidence to handle unexpected situations. Plan thoroughly, pack wisely, and stay aware of changing conditions to keep your winter RV adventure safe and enjoyable. By avoiding these mistakes, you're already ahead of the game for a safer, smoother winter RV season. But we're not done yet. Our next video reveals even more essential winter survival tips that could save your family's life. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and let me know your favorite tip in the comments. Until next time, stay warm and keep rolling.